It's a rainy day here in Dunedin, Florida, but we're going to make it a sunshiny day and have dinner with a friend of mine named Jill, who's standing right in front of the restaurant called Pensare. Pensare means to think, and I'll let you know what I think. Here's my friend Jill. She looks happy. And we ordered some mussels here with a wine sauce and then some mozzarella. Well, here we have a piece of crostini bread with a little bit of basil and oregano and olive oil in a sauce. Here's the crostini. I'm going to try right now. We're going to have the prosciutto and mozzarella. Very fresh. Jill's going to have another mussel. Mussels are made with some a wine sauce. Did you like it?
Delicious.
The best part is dipping the bread into the sauce. Great flavor. Really good. Pensare has the outdoor dining area here, right on the main street in Dunedin. Very easy to get to. Nice for parties or just for happy hour.